Minglaba, we are Kargo, disrupting logistics in Myanmar with technology. The problem is that independent truck drivers and logistics companies in Myanmar are losing money every single day, owing to underutilized trucks and essentially down to an inefficient marketplace. On the other side, we have businesses that have no reliable, trackable, cost-efficient way to get their goods to market, to run their logistics, and to push their goods out. Now, no platform exists in Myanmar to connect the excess trucking capacity with the hundreds of millions of tons of goods that move all over the country every single day. 1, 2, Kargo. Order, track, pay. Kargo is the first online marketplace in Myanmar to connect those trucks with businesses to push that out to market. And the market is big. Myanmar is a country of nearly 60 million people. There are nearly 400,000 trucks that move goods up and down the 4 main freight corridors of the country. And Myanmar is growing fast. It's set to grow over 2.5 times in the logistics market to 4.3 billion in over a decade. We have an established driver community of over 2,500 independent truck drivers, logistics companies, fleet owners, and commercial trucking companies. That makes Kargo's virtual fleet the biggest fleet in Myanmar. This includes Korjal Ta. We transformed his business from ad hoc, on-the-street jobs to be able to give him access to large B2B businesses and the volume of goods they moved. This is something that would have been impossible for him by himself. We have an established client base. Our core focus is big enterprise, B2B, and SMEs, right down to the mama and papa shops on the streets. So firstly, we have large interstate orders, intracity, warehouse to warehouse, depot to distributor, right down to last mile. We've partnered with logistics companies in Thailand, offering routes from Bangkok to Yangon with full customs clearance. That's another Myanmar first. We're working with international freight forwarders. We're offering them a first and last country solution as they look to move their goods internationally and globally. But Kargo is looking beyond simply trucking. We built the first international-grade cargo in-transit product, an insurance binder first for Myanmar. We're building creditworthiness for drivers, and we're constantly analyzing that data. And there's advertising potential in terms of our platforms and in terms of the physical viewability of Kargo's fleet. We've grown since our inception in September 2016, really kicking off revenue in October 2017 to a record month in March 2019 of over $160,000 in gross revenue. But Myanmar remains cash heavy. We secured the first ever unsecured SME loan in Myanmar for invoice factoring, allowing almost instant payment to drivers. And we're working with mobile money providers to increase financial inclusion, to digitize cash, and to speed up payments. The Kargo team, Kargo's people, our founder and our CEO with over 8 years in digital marketing and SEO. Our COO, over 15 years in operational logistics. Our CBO, 8 years in rice trading and business development. Myself, a chartered accountant from London. And of course, our amazing local full-stack developer, Heyman, our chief engineer. And we wouldn't be where we were without the entire team of 36. Sales team, biz team, fleet team, ops team, and of course our tech team. We've been Kargo. We're moving Myanmar.